what is the main principle you live by when it comes to making decisions? Really, it is to embrace reality. So, you know, I try to figure out what really is going on. And even if it's not fun to look at, and even if it is scary, and even if it means that we have to change and do a complete 180 and sacrifice everything we've done, we'll do it, right? So like, I don't make decisions with a bias on what I'm good at, what is going to make me money in the short term. Like, I won't even make decisions based on, you know, like I will make decisions that literally cost me money, right? And I'll lose millions of dollars if I think that this decision is going to be the best for me in the long term. And a prime example of that is like allowing everyone from the old accelerator to upload to the new one for free, and then shipping out box sets to people, right, who hadn't purchased the new course. That cost me like, you know, more than 200 grand shipping those things. And also I sacrificed there millions of dollars. All of those people would have bought Accelerator, right? But instead, you know, I made that decision based on what was best long-term. And I knew that if we had really satisfied customers, and if we had people that were blown away by the product, then, you know, people would talk to other people. And I knew that, you know, people would then buy other things that we sell. And I knew that while I would lose money in the short term, in the long term, it's what's best for us. And so, you know, I look long term. I don't care about making money in the short. I'm even willing to lose it and burn it. And I don't think about myself. I think about my customer. So I think what's best for my customer, and then I do that, not what's best for me. And that, because I know what's best for me is what's best for my customer, but it takes the long term for that to work. Because what's best for you in the short term is often at opposites to what's best for your customer right now, right? So you've got to learn how to balance all of these things. When you're first getting started in business, you need to make money because you need to survive. But once you start to have money, the businesses that don't, you know, that don't ever think long term and aren't willing to sacrifice in the short, they never go very far, right? I'm willing to lose to win, and a lot of people won't do that. And so if I tell you my main principle, it's just to embrace like reality and really think about it across time. So not just now, I think across years, 10 years out, and I think about the implications my decision's going to have, and I'll do what I think is best based on that reality.